Welcome to Product Spotlight. I'm John Heist, Director of Sports and Fitness at Herbalife and lead scientist behind our Herbalife 24 products. Herbalife 24 is a comprehensive performance nutrition program that meets the needs of athletes 24 hours a day. One of the guiding principles of Herbalife 24 is that the products fulfill highly specific needs. This philosophy is particularly apparent when it comes to our recovery products. Recovery from different sports requires different types and amount of nutrients. Therefore, instead of making a one-size-fits-all recovery product, we developed two highly targeted ones, Herbalife Rebuild Endurance and Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength. Resistance or strength exercise, especially when supported by good nutrition, can help increase your lean body mass, which will increase muscle tone and even allow you to burn more calories throughout the day. Protein is the building block of muscle and essential for repair and growth of muscle after exercise. The timing of protein intake is important, and general recommendations advise to consume a combination of protein and carbohydrates immediately after exercise to help build muscle mass and help replenish muscle glycogen stores. In the past, most athletes assumed more protein was better. Now science shows that both the quantity and quality of protein matter for athletes. Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength has 25 grams of high-quality dairy protein, which is a combination of whey and casein protein, which can contribute to the growth and maintenance of lean muscle mass. This makes Rebuild Strength ideal for not only weightlifters, but anyone interested in enhancing body tone through strength training. Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength also contains iron, which contributes to normal energy metabolism, the formation of red blood cells, and oxygen transport throughout the body. The B vitamins in Rebuild Strength, vitamins B1, 2, B6, and B12, contribute to normal energy metabolism. Vitamin C helps reduce tiredness and fatigue, while vitamin E helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Unlike many other recovery products, Rebuild Strength contains a modest amount of carbohydrate with its combination of fructose, sucrose, and maltodextrin, which help replenish depleted glycogen after workouts. Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength has no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners, and as with all the products in the Herbalife 24 line, Rebuild Strength is fully tested for banned substances, so you can have complete confidence in our product. And since it mixes great in water, it's perfect to consume after a workout. You can try Rebuild Strength and all of our great Herbalife 24 products by ordering today from an Herbalife independent distributor. Thanks for watching.